When it comes to essential ingredients in my kitchen, this homemade chili paste is one that I love to keep handy. I make a batch right before the previous jar is empty, just so I am never left without it. It is so good and I add it to almost all my meals. If you enjoy spicy food like me, then you should definitely incorporate this paste in your cooking too. Begin by giving your dry chilies a rinse. Once you've washed your chilies to your satisfaction, drain out that water and add the chilies to a pot. Add some fresh water to the chilies and bring it to a boil. Simmer your chilies for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are fully rehydrated, soft to touch and visibly moist. Drain your rehydrated chilies and use a weight to help remove the water. You want to keep as little water as possible in your chili paste for prolonged freshness. Add your chilies to a food processor or a blender and blend until smooth. If you find that your food processor needs a little bit of help, add about a tablespoon of that chili liquid to help it go. If you'd like to reduce the heat, remove the seeds in advance, but if you like it to be extra spicy, maintain the seeds for more heat. Store in an airtight glass container and top it off with some vegetable oil to keep it fresh for longer. Please give me a thumbs up if you found this video helpful in any capacity. I hope you enjoyed it, and also bring it into your homes as well. If you're interested in checking out more of my kitchen essentials and basics, then have a look at my playlist where you'll find this no-cost green seasoning and a number more. See you soon in the next one. Bye. Is a very versatile multi-purpose green seasoning. It is commonly used in Senegalese and